Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO X80 Lite and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in the general section we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Let's tap on it. Now we have to localize a special number which is called build number, so let's check it in the software information. And as you can see, the build number is right here. So all we have to do is to keep tapping on it until you will see that we are in the developer mode, and if you've got any kind of screen lock you will have to enter it to confirm. Now we've got this information, so we can go back to the general settings, and here let's enter the system which is at the top, which is right above the About Phone actually. After tapping on it, we can easily enter developer options, and here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can manage standby apps, so we can turn on the option to don't keep activities, so it will destroy every action after turning it off. We can show visual feedback for tabs. Here we've got some options connected to the networking because we've got the Bluetooth, USB, Wi-Fi, etc. So basically this is how it works, and the settings, those developer options basically work just like a regular settings. So if you want to turn on the option, simply tap on the switcher on it and it will be immediately activated and applied. And of course you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, like here in the window animation scale, just tap on it to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can always turn them off just by tapping on this on the switcher which is pinned to the top of the screen, and most of the options will be inactive, and after getting back to the system settings the developer options should disappear. But of course no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.